What is up, guys? But oh, I'm not even in the frame yet. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate it. I know you're gonna watch the video all the way to the end. Am I in focus? I better be in focus. If I watch this video later on, I'm not in focus, I might be shooting again, but I'll be really upset about it. I really want to thank you guys for showing immense support on my first video for Lake Tahoe. I had a lot of fun over there. Matter of fact, it was my birthday weekend when I went there. Introduction, who am I? Well, that's me. Lake Tahoe is a really beautiful place. It is like 3 to 3.5. It's like 3.5 hour drive from the Bay Area, and the drive is really beautiful. It takes you from Sacramento, the capital of California, and then there are a lot of vista points on your way to Lake Tahoe. You can stop there. You can take a lot of photos. You can fly your drone if you want to. Just make sure you do not fly your drone. It's not allowed. So always check your local rules and regulations. And when you're driving to Lake Tahoe, and then it's just like when you get like close to Lake Tahoe, like when you're like 30 minutes away from Lake Tahoe, and then there's just like you're driving on the hilltop, like uphill, and then there's just like turn. You make that, while you're making that turn, it's just like valley, the Lake Tahoe Valley, and then when you get the first glance of it, that's priceless. That's really beautiful. Outdoor dining is allowed over there, as it looks like. I'm not sure if someone can verify that, but it was allowed, yes, in Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe has this road in the middle. It's called the State Line Road, and it's kind of like one side of that road is in California, and the other side of that road is in Nevada. That's why it's called State Line Road. I stayed at the Lake Tahoe Resort Hotel. It is not a good hotel. It's a really expensive. It's a really clean. I just didn't like the service. The first thing I noticed was this evident like tamper-proof like tape sticker, tamper-proof sticker on the room. That gave me a sigh of relief. I entered the room. I took my camera. I walked around. I filmed it. It was good. The room was good. We shared the room and living room, me and my friends. One guy slept on the couch, 2 guys slept on the bed. It worked out really good. The room was okay. We just needed someplace to sleep at, someplace clean to sleep at. When I was there, I was standing at the balcony, and I saw this guy with this disinfectant like tank, like a backpack tank filled with disinfectant, I suppose, and he had like a spray, like a tube, and he was going into every room, and he was spending like good 20 minutes in every room, because I was standing at the balcony for like an hour. I was talking to my parents, my family back in, I was talking to my family back in Delhi, India. And yeah, that was really reassuring that they were doing that. I was kind of surprised. And it was my birthday. The first thing that happened in Lake Tahoe was my parents called me. We got there day before my birthday. We went for the hike, there's this Emerald State Park that's all the way across the lake, and if you drive there, you'll have to drive around the perimeter of the lake. It's gonna take you about like 30-ish minutes. It took us like 38-ish minutes to get there. Once you get there, parking is really hard to find. That should be no surprise, right? Once you find parking, that spot is just so beautiful. Everything about it is just so mesmerizing. You see people walking uphill, and then if you want to get closer to the lake, you have to start climbing downhill. It will take you good 30 something minutes to get closer to the lake from this point, and it's all downhill, which is easier to climb. But keep in mind, all the downhill you climb, it's gonna become uphill when you climb back up. Just keep that in mind. When you get closer to the lake, when you see it, it's just so pretty. When I saw the lake the first time up close, I was jaw-droppingly surprised. It was so peaceful. It was so calm. The water was crystal clear. I have not seen that kind of water in a very long time.